What's up, YouTube? It's your Raina, and I'm back with another video. Alright, anyways, so I am back with another video, y'all, and in this video is a Euphoria inspired video. So I already did my eyebrows off camera. Y'all know we jump into it. If you watch, you jump right into it if you watch any of my other videos. But so I'm going in with the Plouise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 3, and now I'm going in with some tape because I want my edges to be really sharp. Now I'm going in with the Magic By Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going in with the shade Faux. And at this point, this is where I was contemplating, like, am I going to do it exactly like the picture or am I not? And then I was like, okay, well, at this point I was like, you know what, I'm going to do it how I want to do it. So I pretty much did my own take on it. I really didn't copy the look exactly. Now I'm going in with the shade Efe or Ife, I don't know. But this is really gonna give me like my sharp wing effect that it was similar to the picture, because I feel like this picture was very like winged out in my opinion and very like metallic purple. So that was the look I was going for. And I'm pretty much taking like a smaller blending brush and just blending out the edges, and then I'm just adding on the intensity as much as how intense as I want it. I'm sorry I sound like a frog.
Just up, fresh out the shower, gotta stay fresh, take about an hour, gotta get dressed, your boy's so clean, both of them all, I got them blue jeans, fresh pair of shades, house on my wrist, sock to the drawers, your boy stay fit, I'm ready, can nobody tell me nothing.
And then right here too as well, I was contemplating like, do I want to keep doing it like, do I want to do it like the look for real? Come on, Rain. I was like, nah, whatever. I'm gonna do it like I want to do it. All right. Now I'm going in with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. If you watched any of my videos, you know that this is one of my favorite primers. Just going in with that first to start off, because it does give you like a smooth canvas, and everything just lasts longer and it grips everything. Okay, that sounded way okay. Anyways, LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange Corrector. I'm going under my eyes and around my mouth, and I didn't end up showing the foundation that I use, but if you watch any of my videos, you would know I'm going in with the NARS Macao foundation and the Fenty Beauty in the shade 390. And then I switched it up. I'm going in with the Born This Way concealer in the shade Mocha. So I'm placing the concealer under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, and on my forehead.
Has taken time, take time, but I always knew you could be mine. I recognize the butterflies inside me. I said this is gonna be made tonight. All you gotta do is say.
Now to set that in place, I'm going with the Huda Beauty powder in the shade Kunafa. To set everything else, I'm going in with the translucent medium powder. Now I was feeling dry, and it is really dry, like it's really cold in the atmosphere, so my skin is really dry at this moment, so I'm really having to spray my face a lot. Anyway, so I went in with the Morphe Continuous Set Mist. Now I'm going in with the Beauty Bakerie Brownie Bar, and I'm using that middle shade, which is the bronzer shade, and I'm using it to pretty much bronze my nose and the rest of my face. I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Balm Highlighter, and I'm pretty much placing that on the highest points of my face to give a glow. Now for blush, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill Rouge Romance palette in the shades Tempting and Petty Posh. Now for lips, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place lip liner in the shade Kola.
Baby, I love you so.
For my lip color, I'm going in with a total opposite color from well, hers was pink, mine is more of a peachy color. It's the Shayla Colourpop collab in the shade Slow Down. And I'm going to go on top of that with the Mario lip gloss and Golden Nude.
Baby, I love you so. Crazy. But you don't feel like I do.
So now I'm going in with the Wet n Wild black eyeliner to line my eyes. And I really just wanted to go at the bottom because for the look, she did have black under her eyes and as a wing, but I really wanted the purple to stand out. Like, that was my take on it. But for the mascara, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara in Carbon Black, and then I do not know what lashes these are. They will be listed below. All products that I mentioned that I'm using will be listed below. And that is it, y'all. So what do y'all think about the look? I think it came out really cute. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, let people know your girl out here. But no, for real. Thank y'all again if you made it to the end, and I will be coming with more videos, y'all. Bye.